So now let's see how we can import our own font inside of Pixlr X. So to import our own font, first of all, we need to download a font that we can use. So I'm just going to go around onto this other website right over here where I can download fonts, as you can see right over here. So let me just bring in this one right over here. So I'm just going to download this font right over here. And then I'm just going to open this out right over here because it is a zip file. And there you go. There's my font, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around here and then keep these fonts onto my desktop right over here and close this out. So now I can import it out from my desktop. So I'm going to go back to Pixlr right over here and then I'm going to go to text. So I'm going to add a new text right over here, as you can see. So this is the font right over here. So what I want to do is I want to import my own font. So I'm just going to click over here onto font. I'm going to click on add local font right over here. And then from add local font, you can see that I'm in my desktop right over here. So I'll be able to choose the font that I want right over here. And once that I'm happy with the font that I chose, I'm just going to click on open right over here. And it'll be available on the top, as you can see right over there. So there's the font, but it does not look that good. So let me just go over here, choose another font right over here. This one right over there, as you can see. So this is the font that I imported. And I can use it as I wish now. So I can increase the size of the font right over here. I can change the line spacing. I can change the letter spacing and use the font as I want. And that is how you can import your own custom fonts inside of Pixlr X. So if you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.